In this video, I'll show you how to change password on Instagram. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Instagram application on your phone. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your profile by clicking at the icon at the far right of the bottom navigation. Now, this is what your profile will look like. You're going to go to edit profile. Now, once you're on your profile, you're going to go to the hamburger at the far right of the top navigation. You're going to click on it. And once you click on it, you're going to click on Account Center. Under Account Center, you can scroll down and see Account Settings. So you can click on Password and Security. On the Password and Security, you click on Change Password. On the Change Password, you're going to choose the account that you want to change the password for. And once you choose the account, now you're going to put in your current password and your new password. You retype the new password, and this you check this box to log out of other devices, and then you're going to click on change password, and your password should be changed. Now that's how to change password on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.